and welcome to Clappia. In this video, we'll see how to connect your own Twilio account directly to Clappia so that anytime submissions are made or edited in your apps, you can receive an SMS or WhatsApp message directly. This video covers the WhatsApp part specifically. The SMS setup is covered in a separate video linked in the description. Let's see how to set it up for WhatsApp. I'm logged into my Clappia workplace and I'll be taking this app as an example. It is a simple incident reporting app that I created earlier. So let's say whenever a new incident is submitted, I want a WhatsApp message to be sent automatically. Basically, I just fill in the form and the message should be sent out. For that, I'll go to Design App. You can see the fields that I had added earlier. I'll go to Workflows, click on Add Step and select Twilio. This is under the new submission flow, since I want this to trigger when a submission is just made. You can set this up on the right panel. You can give the step a name, something like Send WhatsApp, or you can leave it as is. Now, before anything else, you need to connect your Twilio account. For that, you need three things: the account SID, the API key SID, and the key secret. You can find all of these in your Twilio console. When you log into Twilio, on the dashboard at the top, click on View All Accounts to get the details. If you have not used Twilio before and are unsure how to get the details, I have linked the website documentation in the description. You can check that out. Just note that once you generate the API key secret, you copy it then itself. If you lose it, you may have to create a new key. I'll paste all three values in here and then click on Authenticate with Twilio. The authentication is successful. Once that's done, more options will appear below. The first is service type. You can select either SMS or WhatsApp. If you select SMS, then in the message type, you have two options: whether to send a direct message that you type in or via a template message. But for WhatsApp, which we'll be seeing in this video, you have via template message. This is for when you have a pre-configured template in your Twilio account. Then in the WhatsApp sender phone number, this is the Twilio number from my account that the message will be sent from. And Clappia will pull this list automatically from your connected Twilio account. It'll also have its associated name. Then for the receiver number, you need to specify who to send the WhatsApp to. You can either type it in directly with the country code, like so, or you can type @ over here and pick a phone number field from your app if you have added any. So whatever number the user has submitted, the message goes there dynamically. So for example, in my app, I actually do have a phone number field, as you can see over here. So I'll just select this. Then in the template field, you can select from the templates available in your Twilio account. If your template has placeholders in it, you will see input fields appear for each one. And you can map those placeholders to fields from your app using @ again. If you have not set up templates in Twilio before, you can check out the link in the description to set that up. And if your template supports media, you'll also see an option to attach a file. Either a static file you upload directly from your device, or a dynamic file pulled from a camera block or even a signature block from your app. This particular template of mine supports only images, so it shows only these fields. But if you have PDF set up in your app and a template supports sending PDF, then you can select that and you will see the option show up over here. So this is the PDF that I've configured for my app called Incident Report. As you can see over here in Configuration, Print Settings, like so. And this is the PDF setup. If you wish to know how to set up PDFs for your apps, I will link the video for that as well in the description. One thing to note, if you have to make changes to your Twilio workflow, or if you navigate out of the workflows and come back to it, you will need to input the secret key again. But since I did not save the configuration yet, I'll just input them all quickly. Service type as WhatsApp, template message. Select the phone number field for my app as the receiver number. Select my template, fill in the placeholders. I'll select the PDF as the media. Now the last couple of options are the same across all workflow steps. The parent step controls when this Twilio step runs in the workflow. If it's set to start, it runs as soon as the workflow is triggered. If you set it to another step, if you have other workflows set up, then it waits for that step to finish first. And then there's this option, which you can use to turn the step on or off without deleting it. So I'll just save this. Now let's check it out. I will go to App Home, just fill in some random details here for the sake of example. Now when I click on Submit, it'll send a WhatsApp message that I have entered over here and pull field values for reported by and the incident type, as those were the placeholders that I have kept. So I'll just submit this. And you can see I have received the WhatsApp message. The reported by name and the incident type, which is workplace incident, has been captured here in the message, and it has also sent me the PDF. Now, Clappia already has a built-in WhatsApp workflow, that lets you send messages automatically from your apps. But firstly, if you need a custom WhatsApp template, it has to go through an approval process. And secondly, there is a monthly message limit. If you go over the limit, you can extend it, but these are add-ons which have additional charges. So if you want more control over your messaging, that's where the Twilio integration comes in. So usage and billing is managed entirely on your side through Twilio. And if you are using the Clappia mobile app to make submissions, this will also trigger the Twilio workflow to send out SMS or WhatsApp messages. So this is how you set up the Twilio workflow in Clappia. If you have any questions on how to set this up or on any other feature in Clappia, you can always raise a support request by clicking on the button over here at the top. You can select AI Assistant as it is trained on all of Clappia's help material to give you a more tailored solution, or you can select any other option and our support team will get in touch. Thank you.